Welcome to Knowledge Kit. We're here to guide you through the exciting adventure of studying abroad, unlocking scholarship opportunities, and charting a course toward your dream career. Subscribe for expert tips, career insights, and real-life stories to empower your educational journey. Good news. Germany, known for its top-notch education, has numerous universities offering tuition-free education, even for international students. Check our guide for a list of these universities with direct website links, language of instruction, and more. The University of Hamburg is the first on the list. Several programs are taught in English, ensuring accessibility for students from around the world. Tuition fee is free for international students. Only some semester contribution fees ranging between €290 and €340. Language of instruction, German and English. There are several masters fully taught in English. The second is Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, Ludwig Maximilians Universität München, LMU. The university provides a wide array of programs in English, ensuring accessibility for students globally. LMU facilitates an inclusive learning environment for international students. While LMU does not charge tuition fees for international students, a semester contribution is mandatory. The third is the RWTH Aachen University. It is a leading institution located in Germany and welcomes a diverse community of international students, fostering cross-cultural exchange. Many courses are available in English. Tuition fee is free for international students. Only semester contribution fees. Language of instruction is German and English. The fourth is Technical University of Munich, Technische Universität München, TAM. Stands as a premier institution for technology and innovation. Tuition fee is free for international students. Language of instruction is German and English. The fifth is the University of Stuttgart, Universität Stuttgart. Tuition fee is free for international students. The language of instruction is German and English. The sixth is Freie University of Berlin, Freie Universität Berlin. Tuition fee is free for international students. The language of instruction is German and English. The seventh is Humboldt University of Berlin, Humboldt Universität zu Berlin. Tuition fee is free for international students. The language of instruction is German and English. The eighth is the University of Bremen, Universität Bremen. Tuition fee is free for international students. The language of instruction is German and English. Check specific programs requirements to our website, yourknowledgekit.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Your Knowledge Kit for more valuable insights. Good luck.